Non-Greasy. The original Udderly Smooth creams offer 24-hour moisturization in a fast-absorbing formula that won't leave any greasy residue behind. Dry skin relief. Relieves flakiness and dull, dry skin to reveal healthier glowing skin. Udderly Smooth smooths and softens skin immediately after just one use. Pharmacist-Formulated. Udderly Smooth Skincare is a fan favorite, famous for its triple-action formula that softens, soothes, and smooths skin. Set includes hand and body cream for daily use. Recommended by healthcare professionals. Known for its moisturizing properties, super ingredient allantoin soothes skin by calming down redness and irritation, while glycerin works to retain moisture in the skin. Sensitive skin friendly. For face and body and can be used as a hand cream and is intended for daily use. Top reviews from the United States. Good stuff. This is amazing lotion, not greasy or oily, it works great on dry, scaly skin. Pleasant scent. A little goes a long way and the jar I found way back in the cupboard that is probably 5 years old is still good.